All right, seventh grade. We are going to be writing an I am poem. Here are some examples or two examples of an I am poem. And it's going to be guided, so you only have to fill in some of the words. For example, number one, I am caring and loving. I wonder if I am reaching any of my students. I hear my name being called even when I am alone. I see a bright, hopeful future for our world. I want my students to stay away from drugs and gangs. I am caring and loving. I pretend I can make a difference. I feel sad that my students won't all graduate. I touch the sky with my imagination. I worry that some of my students will turn to drugs. I cry when I get frustrated. I am caring and loving. I understand that you can't save everyone. I say that you can be anything you choose to be. I dream that I will reach all of my students. I try to be thankful and happy every day. I hope I will be lucky in my life. I am caring and loving. So hopefully you noticed that some of the lines are repeated so you don't have to think of everything over and over again. There's example two. It says, I am silly and goofy. I wonder if anyone takes me seriously. I hear teachers saying, sit down. I see my future on a stage. I want to be famous. I am silly and goofy. I pretend that I don't understand. I feel that people like me this way. I touch the handle of a microphone. I worry that I won't make it. I cry beneath my smile. I am silly and goofy. I understand fame is hard to reach. I say go for it. I dream about accepting my Emmy. I try to make you laugh. I hope you see the person behind the smile. I am silly and goofy. So those are two examples of I am poems. All right, the instructions say complete this poem by supplying the information requested below. Use phrases to fill in all of the blanks, except for the first and last line, on which you can use a single word. So it says I am, and then you have to give me two characteristics that you have. I wonder, and then it's something that you're actually curious about. I hear, what kind of an imaginary sound? I see, an imaginary sight. I want, an actual desire. And then the next one says, I am, and it says repeat the first line of the poem. So you're going to fill these in for this page. And that's all you have to do is fill in the blanks that are listed there. And then when you are finished, don't forget to submit the assignment through Canvas. And good luck and have fun. If you need help, come to me during one of my Zooms or make an appointment on Calendly.